Okay, shrimp. How to shell and devein raw shrimp to get them ready to cook, okay? So what you're gonna do is take your shrimp, okay? Take off the legs. Now, if you notice, I'm putting my shells in a pot. Why? Because I am going to make a shrimp broth with the shells, the legs, and the tail, okay? So see, once you completely take off the shell, go ahead and take a paring knife. Can you see that black strip there? Okay, so you're going to want to cut, see, can you see that? Cut right in the middle, okay? And lift up that vein. Can you see that nastiness? Yeah. And then, ta-da! That's it, okay? Now, if you notice, I have my frozen, thawed out shrimp in cold water because temperature is everything. All my clean shrimp are here in cold water again because I don't want them to go bad, okay? Because again, being a nurse, I'm a germaphobe and I don't want food quality to go bad, but yes. So now, once you're done peeling and deveining your shrimp, do not put the vein in here. That's gross. But yes, keep your shells, keep the legs, keep the tails. Boil it, basically cover your shells with water, not too much, okay? Boil it for about 15 minutes, season it, and that's it. You have your own homemade shrimp broth. How cool is that?